any
If
alarm.
we recognize the alarm set point for differential pressure alarm high, so it's a clear indication something went wrong inside the vessel. Inside the cooling.
Okay. So if DPH we get the alarm, what is the response time? How much time you have? I think more than 30 minutes, right?
No, we can say we prompt. Because we don't have any trip here.
You can have any.
We don't have any trip function here on what we don't have any
Yeah.
DPAHH, right? So can you go back to that
column.
call to that?
See here, I want to tell you that this DPH will not increase immediately. This is a gradual process.
Correct.
It takes
Yeah.
time.
So we have time.
No.
So-
What will happen is when it's already there is an alarm, right?
Yeah.
So operator has to react. So the reaction time of the operator is not based on this trip because there's no trip function for this one. So we can suggest, but we should not say not urgent, right? We should say
Because it's for production.
Yeah,
It,
so
it depends on our
at
analysis.
least 5 to 15, so maybe it's okay, right?
Okay. Let us keep 5:50.
Something happened, they need to immediately go there and
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a process
We
alarm,
lose the production from our trade.
and likelihood of consequence we can putting the A early because this is not rupturing, nothing. And the severity will be the low because it is not LOPC scenario, only production loss. Response time we are saying rapid.
yeah, it's rapid, yeah.
And rapid and low. What is rapid and low?
Rapid and low will be P2.
P3.
Not in here, yeah. Rapid and low.
P3.
P3. Okay, P3.
P3.
Rapid low.
P3.
Yeah, because he put low only in the consequence severity.
No, what I can't understand that if I lose the production from my train, so how the alarm will be B3?
Assume 2, 5 to 3 meters.
Yeah, Chairman, when the consequence is loss of
Loss of
production,
So how the alarm parameterize P3?
yeah, no, because losing the production here is 110,000 barrels
I lose my train
per
production.
day.
Okay.
So probably it could be medium.
That's very critical situation.
For that, maybe we can go medium on this loss of production.
Okay. But only my concern is the